Go. Ikaw, ang pangalan mo?
It's more.
Sige, pero po na ay ng pangalan.
Bakit?
Oo.
Nakuha niya na. Tanongin na lang po.
Saan teacher ka?
Diyan lang sa gilid.
Saan gilid?
It is my data privacy.
Oh, your data
Tapos
privacy.
nagbibideo pa siya.
This is a public place.
No.
This
even
is for
though
our
it's a
document.
public place, you don't have the right
I have
to
the right.
video anything.
We have. This is for documentation purposes.
No.
Yes. You are a teacher. You should know the rules. You are a teacher. You have to set an example to your students. Hindi ganon.
Set example ako. Ay, nakakalabas ko lang ho. Kasi wala alam na ganyan.
So, hindi mo alam na kailangan mag-helmet?
Ay, nag-helmet ako, be.
Oo, unauthorized.
Tinatanong ko nga.
Tapos kanina wala ka ng helmet.
Wala akong masamang ano doon sa question.
Hindi, that's why I'm asking you, why are you questioning the legality of the operation? Lahat po yan, naka-uniforme, andyan ang pulis.
This operation is legal.
Yeah, of course it's legal. Of course it is.
How come it is legal? Do you have any other